Section D, last section. This ojalá, number 1, is the idea of I hope, followed by the subjunctive, so I hope the weather is better. Por la mañana is in the morning, be careful, that's sneaky. If they'd put tomorrow, it would be ojalá haga mejor tiempo mañana, that would be in the morning. Sorry, tomorrow. So mañana on its own would just be tomorrow, but por la mañana means in the morning, and por la tarde means in the afternoon. Number 2, a mí tampoco me apetece ir. That tampoco means neither in Spanish. So the dicho sea o de paso is just a phrase, a set phrase, and it means by the way. And this person is saying, I don't fancy going either. And the a mí is stressing the idea of I don't fancy going either. I probably would actually, in the exam, underline that so that you can make it clear to the exam that you know that the a mí is stressing the I don't fancy going either. Number 3, hace plus time and present tense. We've done vivo aquí desde hace 2 años, to say I have been living here for 2 years. But you can also see it with hace 2 años que vivo aquí. So they're just using the hace without the desde in front, and it still means I have been living here for 2. So you can say vivo aquí desde hace 2 años. I live here, or I've been living here for 2 years. So here, I've been waiting for your reply for over más de, more than a month. And it's más de when it's followed by a number. Más que is more than when you're comparing. Es más difícil que esto. It's more difficult than this. Conformarse con. Tricky one. It can mean I'll make do with. It can also mean I will be content with, I'll be satisfied with. So here I think you'd sound most naturally, I'd be happy if it didn't rain so much, or I'd be contented if it didn't rain so much. And it is followed by the subjunctive. It's a verb, conformarse con, is a set phrase, so you have to have the con in there. And the last one, this no me vengas con cuentos, sort of thing the teacher might say to children, is, as I've put over here, don't give me that, or give over, mucking around, or cuentos here is mean little white lies, that type of idea. So stop saying things that aren't true would also be okay. And ponerse a means to get down to set to doing something. So it can also mean to start, with the idea of get on with doing something. And I think to get that across, you would want to say get down to work or get on with working. And there's ahora mismo, right now, straight away, this minute, immediately, any of those. So the whole thing, this section's out of 30, but the whole thing is out of 100. So see what you got.